Well, what do we have here? A Bluetooth speaker. If you like style and music, then maybe this might be your device. What's up, YouTubers? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions, and I'm doing a promotional video for ARCHEER. They sent me out a Bluetooth speaker for review. So let's get into it and see what it's all about. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So I have a high-tech fashionable Bluetooth speaker covered with fabric covering that gives it a very unique look. It has full touch controls that enable you to slide left and right to get to your next track, or turn the knob at the top clockwise to turn your volume up and down. So let's go on and open the box and see what you get. I will leave the link and all the Amazon information down in the description below. So when opening this box, you're welcome to a very unique device. Also in the box, you have a USB charging cable and a 3.5mm audio cable. Lastly, it's a user manual. This Bluetooth speaker has a 2000 milliamp battery with 4 hours of charge and up to 7 hours of playback. With this device, you would never miss a call because it has built-in mics that allow you to chat with the speaker. So let's go ahead and pair this Bluetooth speaker up with my phone and hear it in action. So we got this hooked up to Bluetooth, real easy, real simple, and we're going to play some non-copyright music so you guys can hear this device in action. So let's go on and play some non-copyright music. Wow. Alright, so you can control the volume here. Wow. So turn it down. As you can see, you can turn it down. Okay. This device is pretty loud. Wow. Just turn it up. Man, like my whole hand is vibrating. I mean, you have a very good speaker that's in this thing. Wow. Let's turn it up, see how loud it get. There it is. Man. Alright, so you got the bass levels that's coming out of here is extremely good. This is a very good quality Bluetooth speaker. Man, I mean, it sounds really good. Wow. Yes. I mean, really, truly, the driver that's in here is absolutely amazing. All right, so the driver that's in here is absolutely amazing. I am definitely loving the sound. You get all three phases of sounds. You get highs, mids, and lows. Surprisingly, the lows sound real good on this Bluetooth speaker. Wow. Yes. All right. Wow. All right, guys, so I just wanted to let you guys listen to this, and it is a very good device. I'm going to leave all the links in the description down below. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the ARCHEER Bluetooth speaker in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Wow. Peace.